Hello again and welcome back to our Better Breads channel. So there's nothing like fresh bread in the morning, and right now I would like to share with you another recipe that I make for our family. Today we're going to do beetroot and coconut bread. It's a wonderful, vibrant, bright color that again my kids love to see on their plates. So without further ado, let's get started.
So here's a look at the ingredients that you will need.
So I've already pre-sifted my 1 pound of flour. So what I'm gonna do now is add all my dry ingredients together and we can get started. So again, salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and my 1 tablespoon of yeast for 1 pound of flour. I mix these together. Actually, let me clean my hands a bit. I'm gonna add my butter. Actually, sorry, my oil. And then my butter. I want to make sure that gets all the way through. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to start adding my beets. Now sometimes with the beets you may get a little bit more than what you really need because it is full of water in itself. But what you can do with the excess is use it in your smoothies for your kids, and it's a great source of vitamins and minerals. It smells really good, guys. Okay, this looks like enough. So I'm gonna put the rest of this away because I'm going to use it and just add it to my smoothie. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to knead my flour into a dough. And start bringing it together. Okay. So we need a little dusting flour. In order to bring our bread together. So I'm going to continue kneading this, bringing it all together, and I'm going to put it in my bowl that's oiled. and cover it with cling, and we'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, so we're back. I'm here with my dough that I put into a bowl greased with olive oil and covered with cling. And we want to make this rise to double in size, and then we will be right back to knead it out and put it in our pans. Okay? All right, so I'm back again. Now we have our raised beetroot dough, bread dough. And what I'm gonna do now is take it out, put it on the board, which I've already dusted with flour, and put it and shape it into our bread and put it on our bread pan. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And that's it. Now we're just gonna leave it set it aside, let it raise to double its size. And we're gonna put it in the oven after that. Okay, we'll be back. So this is our Beet Bread. Isn't it pretty? It is one of my favorite colors. I really, really love it. So I'm about to put it in the oven, and when it comes out, I'll show you the finished product. It goes in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So guys, this is our finished product of the Beets bread. Again, I love these recipes because it allows me to introduce vegetables into my kids' diet, and it's something that we all enjoy. All right, so I hope that you enjoy making these breads. See you guys again soon with another recipe.